Welcome to MagicInfo Services. In this video I would like to show you how to connect a beamer to MagicInfo Services. So as you can see, the current setup, I got my content running on a laptop, which means I install the iPlayer on my laptop. Next to this, I use the beamer and connect it via HDMI cable to my laptop. So this means the beamer represents the content that I'm playing on my laptop, which will look as following. So as you can see, in case you're wondering, will I be able to play content on a beamer? Here is your answer. Because by connecting your beamer to your laptop via HDMI cable, you basically represent the content that you're playing on your iPlayer. The iPlayer is specifically made for Windows devices, which you can install on your laptop on a dedicated Windows server or on a NAC. So this really depends on what your preference is, but as you can see, the content runs perfectly smooth on the beamer. So here's the beamer that I connected via HDMI cable to the laptop, which I installed the iPlayer on, and I connected the iPlayer to MagicInfo Services, and via MagicInfo Services I have sent the content to the iPlayer. So I will have to use the server to upload the content and schedule the content, in this case to my laptop. And this is how to use a beamer with MagicInfo Services. Thanks for watching.